Hello students. First of all, I won't ask you how you have written today's law paper. However you have written, the exam is over. Don't look at the question paper after you come out of the examination. Don't even speak with your friends. My humble request, exam is already completed. Now you cannot do anything about it. Start focusing on next paper, taxation, DT and IDT. So I am here with you to discuss the day before exam strategy for CA Inter Direct Taxation. First of all, please prepare tax rates and residential status. It will not take more than 1 hour to finish off tax rates and residential status chapter. Then let us start studying small chapters. If the question comes, the weightage is very high, 6 marks, 4 marks, like that. So next, prepare income from other sources, clubbing, set off of losses chapter. After you finish this, then return of income, mandatory theory question will come, like updated return, belated return, revised return, tax return preparer, ITRU. So all these, please prepare theory questions. Then agricultural income is there, like agricultural income in case of tea, rubber business, coffee business. Please prepare that. Examples of agricultural income and non-agricultural income are there. Please go through the chart. Next, prepare about advanced tax. So all this you can easily finish it off in 2.5 to 3 hours. Then please prepare income from house property and salaries. Salaries definitely question will come, no doubt at all. So it takes around 2 hours to prepare income from house property and salaries. 2 to 2.5 hours you can spend. After you finish preparing house property and salaries, then prepare deductions, TDS, TCS. It takes another 2 hours to prepare deductions, TDS and TCS. Then start preparing capital gains and PGBP. I have already uploaded how to tackle total income problem. Like in that I have explained you the adjustments. You can go through that video. Separate video was made for it. Capital gains also, major amendments came in Finance Act number 2 of 2024. High chances capital gains will be tested in the examination. Please don't leave capital gains. Please prepare amendments also, especially after 23rd July 2024. Indexation benefit was not available. On that, I am expecting a question tomorrow. So capital gains, PGBP, prepare at the last. If you start preparation of capital gains and PGBP from the beginning, remaining chapters preparation will become tough. That's why first prepare all small chapters, last prepare capital gains and PGBP. Okay, for total income problem especially, I have uploaded a video. Please watch it. You can plan your revision like this. I think here it may take another 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So you can plan accordingly. Overall, you need to allocate minimum 11 to 12 hours for direct taxation. So in 11 to 12 hours, you should finish direct taxation. That's how please plan it. Okay. So in this way, please do. I already made a short on must revision chapters. Please watch it. Definitely, like I have explained the chronology in which questions are going to come in the examination. So prepare in this way. I wish you all the very best. Don't panic. Give your best. At this point of time, don't study any new concept. Whatever the concepts that you have already studied, please revise them and go to the examination confidently. Whatever you know, perform it. You are going to succeed. I believe in you. Thank you.